Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new topic on. Basically we are having an option of scientific here in which we are having these three options which we will be dealing with that are absolute value. Under power we are having three sub option: square, cube and then power, and then a square root. With these three options in the Power Query Editor window, we will be watching how these things works. So let's get started to the video. Here we are having absolute value. We will be watching this functionality by taking up a new table as an example for demonstration purpose. Let me create one new table and then we will show you how it will go. So basically I will go on home and then enter data. Column name just sample call, I will take it up as, and then some positive values, then some negative values. I'm just taking a very basic example so that you guys should not be confused and you will be very much clear that how these things are working in a real scenario. So I'm taking just a basic example here, renaming table as sample table. Yeah, in front of us we are having this whole table created. So what I will do now is we will just navigate to this transform section. There is scientific and then absolute value. Basically what this functionality does is, whatever your number it is inside your column, it will just take its absolute value. That means if the number is in negative, it will make it positive. If it is in positive, it will be in positive. That means any negative integer, it will be converted to positive integer. So that's only the meaning of absolute in terms of basic mathematics terms as well. So we can see how on applying absolute value, you can see that whatever it was in negative, you can see here whatever it was in negative, it has been changed to positive. That's only the functionality of absolute value. Moving to another option, that is power. Square, that means we need to apply power over any number, whatever it is onto the particular column. So right now the power may be 2, 3, 4, any n, means any arbitrary number, whole number it can be. So what we will do here means, here we are having just for your to make the UI simple, Power BI did that it pull out two options into this power, that is square and then cube. That means when you will take the power as 2, it will be square. When you will take the power as 3, it will be cube. So it will just take it as something like this, that 10 to the power 2 it will be square, 10 to the power 3 it will be cube. And you are having one option of power which is very much flexible, in which you can pass any arbitrary number that will be taken as a power, which Power Query Editor will understand that this particular power is to be applied into this whole column. So we will be watching first square. When 10 is squared, it is 100, 20 is squared 400, whatever minus it was, when it will be squared, minus will become plus. So it's 100 and 400 respectively. Changing back, going to power and then cube again, it just multiplied 3 times. That means 10 to the power 3 is equals to 10 into 10 into 10, which gives us 1000, right? So similarly, when it is minus 10, so minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So minus 10 into minus 10 will give you 100. Again 100 will be multiplied with minus 10, it will give you minus 1000, right? So that's only the thing here. So it's minus 1000 and then minus 8000. Moving to the flexible option of power, that is power. Here we can pass any arbitrary value. It may be Suppose 10 raised to the power 10, that means 10 will be multiplied 10 times. It will give you something like this. Now moving to other option, that is square root. It will do nothing, but if you will type down, I have just taken it 10, I will change it to 100, basically just for illustration purpose, and means it will be very much easy to judge if the formula is getting applied, everything is getting applied correctly or not. So I've taken it as something like 100, 200, minus 100, minus 200. Now applying over it, changing the type, applying over it square root. You can see that it has been changed to 10, and then 200, whatever it was 200, it has been a squared root, and it is giving us 14 point something something. And whatever it is in negative can't be a squared root, so it is as a NaN. So whatever value which will be undefined, basically whatever value will be undefined, it will come as NaN. So hope this is very much clear to you, and you are now aware of these three options in Power Query Editor: absolute value, power, and then a square root. In upcoming tutorials, we will be watching the functionalities of these exponent, logarithm, and then factorials. All these options we will be watching in upcoming videos. Stay tuned to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Like to the video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel, and any doubt you are having, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Stay tuned to the channel.